fuck is wrong with you, man? You've been fucking moping around. What the fuck?
Dude, my life's over, man.
What?
My life's over. That douchebag over there? You see him? Yeah.
Hey,
that guy.
what you want,
He's
huh?
supposed to be in my room.
Tap.
Yo. No one talks when I talk. No.
He's a fucking
No.
douchebag.
Listen to me.
Wait.
Let me tell you what it is.
What did you?
He slept in my bed with my girlfriend.
No!
So what, man?
No!
What do you mean by so?
No!
Let's go, man. Let's go.
Wait,
Let's go.
Wait.
Dude,
I don't
one
want to
second.
fight, alright?
No,
I don't
what
want
did?
to fight.
No. Hey, wait.
No.
One second. Wait. What? Describe. What the fuck happened?
Came
Yeah. Or what?
to sleep. I went clubbing.
Sit down. Dude,
No.
take a fucking seat and you. No, mofo, motherfucker, go. Go to the other room. Go to the kitchen, man. Go.
Tell that bitch to get out of here, okay?
Man, what the fuck, man?
He still comes and sleeps in my bed.
Just like, dude, man, what the fuck, dude? Just get out of the room, man. Get the
I don't
fuck out of
fucking
the
care
room.
if you
I don't
pay
care,
the
guys.
rent.
Dude, fuck you and get the fuck out of this room. You stay there until I get to you. Dude, what happened? Tell me.
Oh fuck. I don't even know how to describe this, man. You see that guy over there? That was me 4 years back. I used to fly around like an eagle. What happened to me?
I remember those times, man. I remember those times. Dude,
And you see this? That's 4 of us. That's 4
I
of
know.
us right there. We were good friends.
shit, man, like,
It's over.
dude, remember
It's
the music we
over.
played?
Let him tell you everything. I won't tell you.
Dude, wait, you stay here.
What you want?
Yo, son of a
What you
bitch.
want? What you want?
Matt, get into the room, man.
What
What
you
the? No, could you just shut the fuck up and just sit on the
What
bed?
you want, man? What you want?
Yo, asshole, get out of the room. Matt,
What you want, man? What you want? What is it?
fucking douchebag.
Dude, I ain't got time for this, man.
What the fuck? You
I got
wearing a
stuff to do,
cap?
man. I got stuff to do, man. I don't got time for this. Dude, I gotta go.
Dude, what the fuck, man? You sit.
Dude, I'm chill.
Listen,
I'm chill.
listen.
No.
Don't
Hey, what you want, homie? Hey, what you want?
No.
Fuck, it's fine.
What you want, homie?
Matt, listen. You guys are my.
No.
Could you guys shut the fuck up? You guys are my fucking best friends. I can't live like this. I'm your fucking roommate, and every fucking day.
Alright, in
after-
one condition.
No,
okay?
no,
stay
you
here.
stay here. You stay here.
listen to
What
my
you want,
condition.
What is your condition? Tell me.
I get to fuck your girlfriend in your bed.
Oh!
No.
Oh,
Don't just run away.
No, Matt, that's a
Don't just run away.
That's a fucking brilliant idea. Dude, listen.
Don't just run away.
How about he fuck your girlfriend, I fuck his girlfriend, his girlfriend fucks me, your girlfriend fucks...
Listen, man, I don't care.
You know?
I don't care, man.
Yeah, dude,
I don't care, man.
that is everything's chill, man. Yo, dude, everything's chill.
Alright, man, alright!
Oh shit, we can party up again! Hee-ho! Hee-ho!
Wait. I get to fuck his girlfriend? This is his bed, right? Like this. Like this.
After you're done, I'll fuck the girlfriend. Oh!
Yeah, you can do whatever you want to. You know, I always share.
I know.
Sharing is caring, you know.
We should fucking go
Hey,
to...
yo, man.
Oh shit! Dude, what the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Oh my god! Dude, you fucking killed me!
Sid's dead.
Fucking-
Sid's dead.
Oh,
Sid's dead. Sid's dead. Good for that. Sid's dead. Dude, Sid's dead. Can you believe that?
Hey, whatever, man.
Yeah, who cares?
I gotta
Let's
go, man. I gotta
Let's
go. Sorry, man.
Yeah.